Hello guys, it's PudeL. So today I want to talk about something that I noticed. So I was in a casual game, and basically the guy just goes, take the bomb, go to a site A or B, of course. Just plants it, and when he plants it, like before planting it, he makes a weird noise, and then once he plants it, the bomb just explodes. It just explodes. There's no 40 seconds waiting until the bomb plant like explodes. So yeah, I'll just let you guys see. I'll show you when the weird noises are there. I'll try to show you. So I hope you enjoy.
I need to make it to the bomb plant. So. Go.
3, 2, 1.
There we go.
GG.
Run in now. I just need to make it to the site. Oh no. No.
Nice, we killed Travis. I want Lucido now. Kill Lucido. Plant. Nice. Please kill him.
Right, all I need to do is plant.
Kill Lucido. Jesus Christ. Hell yeah.
Rip.
Nice. GG guys. Easy
GG.
peasy lemon squeezy.
Hi Reddit guys.
Hi Reddit.
Hi Reddit.
What's up?
Reddit. Yeah, see you on Reddit, bro.